Murphy here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my very first video on this channel and my very first tutorial for my very first painting here. I am super excited to start a new channel. I already have a channel called Sarah Magic Makeup where I do makeups, obviously. And recently I stumbled upon an acrylic pouring painting tutorial and I just got sorry, blown away by the process and by the result. And as an art lover and a color lover, I really wanted to try acrylic pouring. I could tell there were endless possibilities with acrylic pouring, hence the new channel. So welcome, thank you for subscribing, it means a lot. And without further sorry about the English, I am French. Anyway, what was I saying? Without further ado, I'm gonna let you watch the making of my cosmic flower, which is a painting I made for my daughter, a little baby girl. I am the mother of a 6-month-old little girl. She's my light, she's my everything, she's my heart, she's my joy. I love her so much, and I guess she inspired me this colorful flower. And I love it. And I know it's not perfect, and if you are a pro, if you're an acrylic pouring pro, I'm sure you're gonna see things that just make your hair on your arms. But I'm a newbie. I've never done acrylic pouring. I am learning, so please be kind. And that's it. Without further ado, I'm gonna let you watch the tutorial and I'll see you at the end. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I am doing it, just going for it. I want to have a dark background, but I don't want it to be fully black. I'm trying to have this dark blue, like a sky color, night sky color. I'm going to blend all this, and if it's not enough paint, I will just go over with the colors. I like the lighter blue. Maybe I will add a little bit more because I think it gives a nice shade to it and it blends in nicely with the black and the dark blue. It's not dark blue, but it's I think it's Prussian blue. This is all new to me. I don't really know anything. I don't know the color names yet. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know the technique. I just watched 100 videos and I am fascinated with it. All the techniques and all the beautiful results and the colors. I'm just obsessed. Alright, so this isn't bad, but there's spots here and there that have not enough paint. So I'm gonna add a little bit more paint. I like this blue here. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm just gonna add some blue, and then I'll add a bit more black and that light blue again. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just improvising. Alright, let's put that nice blue here. Alright, so hopefully that's enough paint. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing and where this is going. Some white in the middle. I don't really know what I'm doing. But I've already said that. So I'm gonna fill this here with white. And now I will make the rainbow. I'm gonna start with this color here, which is, it's a red, but it looks orange to me. So this is what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna go on with yellow. I have no idea how much paint I'm supposed to put. I'm going in with a light green. Maybe this is primary green, I'm not sure. Or yellow green, I don't know. I'm gonna put on a darker green. Oh, I like this color so much. It looks beautiful. There you go. And then I'm gonna go for my blue, the one that I put in the background. What's this? Oh, wow! This is a giant ass No, don't come here, snowflower. There's a giant ass dragonfly. Go outside. Go outside. Go, dragonfly. Okay, dragonfly is out. It's beautiful. I've never seen such a big one. Oops! Now I'm putting on the darker blue. I'm not gonna put too much because there's already a lot of blue on my painting. I'm gonna go in with this purple. It's the only purple I have, I think. It's a metallic purple. I will go in with pink. And then I have this darker pink here. A fuchsia color, I think, or a magenta actually. It's magenta. It's a bright peach color here. I'm gonna add it here and there because I love it. It looks amazing. I want to add some red. I think this one is crimson red. I have a brilliant red. Now, the tricky part. Maybe I should put some gold in the middle because I think gold is beautiful. I will put some white again. I'm gonna blow all the bubbles with my thing here. I've seen people do it and I tried to do it and it does work. Alright, let's blow in the middle. Okay. Oh my god. Amazing! Wow, I love it. This is the part where I don't know if I stop or if I go on. I have really tiny cells. I don't know why. There has to be a reason. Maybe the medium I used. I have used no silicone, just water or medium and or. So, what should I do? Because I like how it looks right now and I don't want to mess it up. There's colors everywhere. You blow and then this color that is underneath just pops and it's beautiful. This part here is gorgeous. Under that pink here, there's this green, light green and turquoise. Beautiful. I don't want to do too much to it because all the tests I've done so far ended up failures because I did too much work to it. I either tilted them too much or I blew on them too much or whatever, you know, and it just ruined them. I think I forgot to do that one. Or maybe the paint moved, but I'm gonna go back to this one. There's little sparkles of gold here and I like it. It's a mistake, that gold here, but I like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this gold paint in a little silicone bowl I have here. And I'm gonna use an old toothbrush. This is what I do when I do a makeup to create splashes. Splashes of blood or just splashes. And so I'm gonna do that here because I really like... Shit, I'm stupid.